Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Brady Joker. Welcome back to another jump chest video. Today I'm going to be doing a level called Blizzard by AutoNick. This is an XL demon. It is quite long, which is really the only reason why it's an easy demon. It's not that hard. There's like a couple tricky bits, but it's honestly not too bad. I'm gonna show you guys a round of practice mode because this level is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna turn that down. However, it is very laggy, so I'm gonna be playing on low detail mode. But if you want to see like the full, detailed level, definitely do it because it looks absolutely amazing. This level's super long. I'm not gonna go into in depth on every single part of the level. I almost just died there. But this level's really cool. Not a lot to say. It just looks really cool, especially with high detail. However, because it's so laggy on my computer, I can't really do it. You just gotta know what to do, honestly. And I'll just, this UFO part, you just gotta memorize when to jump. Like myself there, I did not memorize that to jump there. There's just a lot of little things with this level that you gotta know because it's an XL. And all your attempts are gonna be really long. And this part right here, this little section is one of the trickier parts just because of these rocket transitions. Like that transition's pretty tricky. But honestly, it's not that bad. But it's one of the trickier bits because of these transitions. And now it's like super easy for a while. And then this wave part isn't too bad. You go into a duel, which you gotta wait like last second. And honestly, the duel is pretty tricky. But it's not too bad. Because you gotta wait because of that stupid cog. I hate that cog. Right there. Okay, there you go. And then you go up, and then you're the robot. This robot part is kind of tricky. Because you gotta do a couple late jump orb timings, but it's not too bad. That's what I'm gonna be saying with a lot of this level is that there's a couple tricky bits, but it's not too bad. Like it's really just not that bad. It's now gonna get kind of awkward because I think from here on out the level's pretty easy. Oh, there's a key right there. Okay, hold up, pause. There's a key right there. Oh, dude, I didn't even notice that. So jump, bro. I didn't even notice that. That's crazy. Okay, I can get that coin then. Okay, so that's where the key is. I didn't even notice that my first 2 runs of practice mode. But now the level is like incredibly easy. You just got to know what's coming up. This part looks so cool though. I love this part with like the ski lodges and like the bridges and stuff. I just think it looks so cool. This part just looks awesome. And then this is one of the harder skill parts just because there's a couple tight corridors like those. And then this is by far the hardest robot part. I always forget to jump there. Because of these 2 pink jump orb timings, they're pretty tricky. But other than that, it's not too bad. Like I've been saying this whole time. It's not too bad. Really isn't. And then from the rest of the level, it's pretty easy. You go into the rocket ship, which looks awesome. I'm gonna fix my camera real quick. Okay, there we go. And what? I still don't have the coin. What? Okay, whatever. I guess I'm not going for the key then. And then if I die that mini wave, dude, I'm gonna be so mad. And then you spam. Okay, there you go. It's Blizzard. It's pretty easy. Shouldn't take me too long. But then again, every attempt is gonna be long, so I could be recording for a while. I hope I'm not. I really want to beat it at like first attempt. Alright, first attempt, let's go. We're gonna 1 attempt it. Again, because it's such a long level, I'm probably not going to be doing a lot of commentary because it's such a long level. It would help me a lot to focus. Man, this first rocket part, dude, it's quite tricky. Dude, I really want to play it in full detail, but it just lags. And it lags at some of the harder parts too, like that robot part towards the end. That's where it lags. So I'm not gonna risk that. Yes, I got past the first part of the level. Here we go. You hit it too late. That jump orb timing is pretty tricky. Because you have to go in between two spikes. You gotta hit it, like, in the middle. Like, I hit it way too late there. Which was really stupid of me, but... And now I'm back at this rocket part. I'm gonna die here again, because I'm bad at the game. Oh! I didn't. Okay, we got the UFO part, remember? 1, 2, 3. What? Aww. No! Oh, god damn it. Oh, man, dude, I can't believe I did that. Oh, I'm so mad now. Okay, well... all the way back to the beginning. Well, I mean, I went from like 16 to 77. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can beat this, no problem. Just give me a couple more attempts, and I'll have it beat. I promise. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Alright. That did not take, like, any time at all. 7 minutes. Died once at the end. Pretty easy level. Really fun, though. Amazing level right here. If I played it without detail, or without low detail, it looks phenomenal. Certainly an easy demon. It's not that hard. 64 attempts. Come on now. You know, honestly, one of the best looking demons, like, especially without low detail mode. If you guys want to check it out, check out, like, another, like, level of it, but it looks amazing. Just really awesome level. And there's the, weekly demon, so, let's see what I get. Cool. Alright. hope you guys did enjoy this video. I guess I'll just go to, yep, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for Minecraft 1000 Days. Again, if you want to check what day me and Grayson are on Instagram, right there. So yeah, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.